Question 16. A diagram represents a metal frame. The frame is made from 4 metal bars, AB, A to C, B to C, and B to D. That's the 4 metal bars. Got 2 angles that are the same. Angle ABC is 90, and angle ADB is also 90. We know that length AB is 5 and BC is 3. We've got to work out the total length of the 4 metal bars of the frame. We've got to give our answer correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, so we can do AC to start with because we're working inside a right-angled triangle. We're looking at AC as the hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle ABC. So using Pythagoras' rule, we'll just call it AC. AC will equal the square root of the 2 small sides squared and added together. So it's the square root of 5 squared plus 3 squared. It's the square root of 25 plus 9, which is the square root of 34. And we'll use the calculator to get the answer there, which comes to 5.831 to 4 significant figures, which I'll work with for the moment. Now the next part of the problem is probably the trickiest bit to see, but how do we work out BD? There's no obvious way of doing that with Pythagoras' rule because we haven't got 2 sides, we've only got one here or one there. So we're going to have to make use of the 5.831. And what you need to realise is that you can get the area of this triangle by doing 5.831 times dB and divided by 2, and that will be the same as 5 times 3, which is another way we can work out the area of the triangle divided by 2. So realising that, then you're going to get 5.831 times dB will equal 5 times 3, which is 15. Those are the 2 ways you can work out the area of the triangle. Remember, you don't need to put divide by 2 on both sides, so that will cancel out. So dB then will equal 15 divided by 5.831, or in fact it's better to use root 34 to get a, which comes to 2. Get the pen, sorry about the wobbly foot, 2.572. So we've got our 4, so that's 2.572 here. So we need the total of the 4 lengths, so we need to do 5 plus 3 plus 2.572 plus 5.831, and then we need to round that off to 3 significant figures, so we'll do that now on the calculator, which comes to 16.403, and as 3 significant figures that comes to 16.4. So there's your answer.